Keith Gill Jr. warming up to go on stage.
We're next. The makeshift green room. Picked a lamp theater. Having a blast. Country songs for soldiers. 2020, we got it in, y'all. If you're not here, I'm sorry. Wake each day now, living life ain't free. Breathing any day and night. That's the rifle me. Little mirror action. Making liberties, cause of sacrifice. Like staying close to home, I'll fight my fight. For me, tell me. Good. We're getting all tuned up and ready. Big breath, breathe in through the nose, out of the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. That's how we do things. Give you a quick tour of the green room. This is the blue room with the big fan.
Blue room.
This is the bowels of the lamp theater. Up here is more of the green, teal.
It's blue.
Blue, teal, green. Let's do that. And that's when we get ready to do what we do for Lamp Theater, the Country Songs for Soldiers. Every year, if you're not here this year, you haven't been to one of these shows, man, you're missing some great talent. It's a great time and just a blast to do. Big thumbs up. We're going to go up and get on stage, or get ready to jump on stage here. He's making the moose, like the Marty Moose from Vacation. He's our MC for a reason. Let's go see what's doing. I wonder if that flag comes out. If so, I'm going to grab it right through the crowd. I don't know. That looks like that might be. Okay, that's somebody's up there. Anything else you want to know before I get here? Are you sure? Okay, no. Not at all. We have to whisper like this because Marty's out there right now. The website, just so you know, there's a lot more morning show. If you want to tell the story from Toby tickets real quick, just do that. Whenever you're wearing one slice, tell that story real quick. Say you first met this guy. The bowling, Peter Bowling. Remember that? I'll save that for the end. Look at you. Remember this shit? Backwards. That's good stuff. That's how you had to do it. Here you go. Gotta get some air, get rolling, get pumped. Gotta do this show, do it good. Got my camera girly on here, Taylor. Sydney's been helping like crazy. We're having a fun time at the Lamp Theater, guys. You really ought to come out and do this sometime. It's a blast for a good. Here I go, come on. Let's follow me out on stage.
What
You gonna follow
can
me
you
on stage? Come
say
on.
about our next act that anyone will actually believe?
Do you want me
Very
to do
little.
What around you?
But he is the brains, the heart, and the soul behind Country Sounds for Soldiers. You can find him online at callmejunior.com. Keith Gill Jr.
Oh, yeah.
man, we missed the baby. What's going on, everybody? Did he have the nerve to call me the brains? Oh, baby.
And Junior. Good
No,
Lord.
no brains here.
I ain't saying nothing.
Who?
I just me. I said nothing.
Do I know this is me?
You don't know me, no?
Do I want to?
Yes.
Oh, Sweet Jesus.
Don't listen to her.
Monty, introduce me again. Kick this lady the hell out of here first.
I'm waiting for you to rock my world with country.
Sweet Jesus. Look at these guys. These guys don't know what the hell to say.
They all get it. And listen.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. Except that my wife was right up there. And you probably embarrassed her more than you embarrassed me.
Just music. Good Lord.
Good Lord.
You go back to the south.
Look at this poor woman. Is she your friend?
Listen, she turned 60 yesterday.
Well, happy birthday yesterday.
Thank you.
You don't look like you're 60. 58, 59 maybe, but not 60. So did you two know each other then?
Yes.
My condolences. And did you drive separately?
No, she drives.
So you don't leave her ass here, right?
Somewhere. Oh my God, are you serious?
Wait, is she serious?
You? I have no idea. I'm just gonna sit here and listen.
You know what?
You will.
And she said to her friend, quit talking to strangers. I'm betting that we'll just leave that one alone. We'll just
Just sing.
You got your red, white, and blue on today?
I do. She does.
That's
She's
good.
awesome.
Because you're about 14 shades of red right now in the cheeks. Did I mention this was a comedy show also? Country/comedy signs for soldiers. Just in case y'all wanted to know. Listen to her. She's a riot.
You should go to a concert with her.
I am at a concert with her.
I'm the life of the party. Can you tell?
Any alcohol yet?
She says I'm the life of the party.
I know she said I heard her, but I'm asking you, have you had alcohol yet?
I guess.
Oh, God, go get some more. It's cheap. Anyway, you done stealing my spotlight?
You do have a song, don't you?
Please start
Either a song or I got one hell of a comedic monologue coming up in the next 15 minutes. You alright? Take a breather.
I'm good. Go ahead.
In through the nose.
Go.
Sorry. I had to get that out of my system, and obviously she had a lot to get out of her system. And you know what, ma'am?
Keeps it going.
Ma'am.
Keeps it
Her
going.
name's
Miss
Sonia.
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 Oh, jeez.
Jesus. I saw you on a milk carton, didn't I?
What?
Saw you on a milk carton, didn't I?
Never.
Sonia, no.
Never.
Anyway, honestly, Sonia, hey, up here.
I'm
You,
very attentive. Go ahead.
I love everybody in attendance here. I give it to you. Hats off to every one of you that come here and support us. And I love, this is why we do what we do for people to come here. And if you act like a raving lunatic like this one,
Oh my God, seriously?
that's all the more better.
Listen, I'm just trying to have fun.
It's, give yourselves a hand for coming down here on a Sunday afternoon, please. You gotta take my hats off to you. Y'all are awesome. I love it. And this is why we do what we do. So, what song was I going to do?
I don't know. I never said.
Good Lord. Okay, we're going to open this up a little bit on my end of it. My name is Keith Gill Jr. As Monty, the MC, already pointed out. A little redundant. lights are blinding me, so I really can't think that well. So I'm just going to open this up to a song, and I do this song every year, and quite honestly, 100% true to the core. We would not be here right now if it weren't for the song I'm about to do. And backstory of this song, you know, I probably 12, 13 years old by now. I wrote this song old ago, I think. But I wrote this song. I was on my couch one evening, and I know some of you heard this story many times. I know some of you haven't. That's why I feel the need to repeat it. And you know, a good country song always has a decent backstory behind it. Some don't. Some are made up, and that's what you got in Nashville today sometimes. But you know, right up here are the roots of country music. What we got with the four ladies just up here earlier, and these four guys right here, bringing it down to the roots. We like to tell stories, and we like to live what we do. So anyway, this I was sitting on my couch about 12 years ago, and on the internet, and I came along a headline when we were in Afghanistan. The big thing was the Afghanistan thing, and I come across a headline. I said, I think it was 12 of our, I don't know what branch they were from, but they were on their vehicle got hit by a roadside IED. As far as I can remember, and I think I should remember very well, most of them got out of there unscathed, but there were a few casualties, and you know, that killed me. It didn't get the headlines it should have, and I sat there thinking, you know, why don't our American troops get the recognition they so deserve? And you know, I sat there, and like 3 o'clock in the morning, I wrote this song, and you know, I hope we all like it. It was originally called, I named it A Soldier's Hand, and I renamed it recently to A Hero's Hand. And honestly, I've been singing it for the last 12 years as A Soldier's Hand, so if I accidentally screw soldiers and heroes up, look past it, please. Because I might do it, you never know, I'm going to try. But it's a Soldier's Hand to Hero's Hand. I hope y'all like it. It goes like this. With each day now, living life ain't free. Breathing in the air now, it's right for me. I'm taking liberties because of sacrifice. Like staying close to home, I'll fight my fight for me. Tell me, when's the last time you gave thanks? When you realize what a freedom means? Try to visualize where we'll be without them. Those who take a stand. When's the last time you shook a hero's hand? Shook a hero's hand. Got it right. Take some time now, think about it. Next time you're traffic jam, by one of our own now, being shipped off to a foreign land. He without a husband or wife, children behind. Tell me on a traffic jam, walk that same line. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. When's the last time you gave thanks? When you realize what a freedom means? Try to visualize where we'll be without them. Those who take a stand.
day now, living life ain't free.